Hello, hopefuls. I hope you all are doing great, and happy Easter to you all. I hope you are doing great and staying safe and healthy. Today I'm just going to share with you our tablescape for spring and also for Easter. So I probably will just take off the little burlap bunny ears when Easter is over. And yeah, so let's get started. I planned on doing a tablescape, and I wanted also to bring some normalcy to our lives right now. So yeah, so I made sure that I did our tablescape for this year. So if you saw my haul from Dollar General, I picked up these plates, and they are melamine from Dollar General. I believe they were $2 each. Yeah, $2 each. So this plate and this plate here, the saucer plate. And then the chargers are from Dollar Tree. So I had these for some time now. And then I only have 4 napkins. They came in a set of 4 from Marshall's. The glasses I had for some time now, and I thought it would be cute to do a different color other than just, you know, I could have played around with my green glasses, but I said, you know what, I'll use my purple ones. I haven't used them in a while. I got them from Dollar Tree years ago. I had a Thanksgiving tablescape that I use these, so I wanted to pull these out. And then this water glass, it came from Dollar General as well, and I believe they were $2 as well. At the end of the tables, I only have 2 of these chargers, and these chargers came from Michael's, I think like maybe 2 years ago, and I was playing around with it if I want it on the side of the plate or not, place setting, but I ended up putting it here on the left hand side, and then at the ends of the tables I just have a white napkin. Of these napkin rings, the burlap ones with the little bunny ears, and I thought I would add that to the table this year. And then in the center of the table is just a ribbon that I just wanted to lay across as a runner. I didn't necessarily want to pull out a full burlap runner, but this is just I think I got this from Walmart some years ago in the wedding section. So we're doing a casual play setting, and what I'm going to do is just wait to put the silverware out on tomorrow. And then for my centerpiece, I had this basket that I've been using for different things, and I really wanted to use it last year, just like this, but I didn't get around to doing it. So this year I did. It was really easy to do. I just had a lot of different flowers that I had, and I just pulled them out of my stash in my craft room. And yeah, it was really simple. I may have manipulated a little bit, but not much. I tried to pull some of the white out because I wanted it to look like spring. I didn't want it to give it the wrong look. So the basket I got from Michael's, so they may bring this back. I'm not sure or not. Sometimes Michael's will do that. And then in the back area, I had this cross that I had for quite some time, and this came from Walmart. So I had it for at least 4 or 5 years. So I didn't use any foam or anything for the flowers. I just laid them in the basket, and then I just use these candle or cupcake stand holders from the Target One spot to sit them up in the basket to hold this cross. To arrange the basket, I didn't use any floral foam or anything for the flowers. I just laid them. I just wanted to make it look like someone just picked the flowers out of the garden and put it in the basket. But how my cross is standing up is I have these they're actually cupcake stand holders from the Target Bullseye Playground, and they're just holding up this cross here. So this is a really simple play setting for tomorrow and for spring. So my vignette over here, I really thought about this at the very last minute, and I was bringing some stuff down from my craft room because I have an abundance of stuff in there, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna rearrange this and put it in a different area of the house, because I tend, you know how you get stuck in that mindset of thinking things only belong in this one area sometimes. So what I did was, these were draping over my bookcases in my craft room. And, you know, during this quarantine we can't really go out, so I just plopped them into these vases. And these vases came from Kirkland's years ago, and I think one was blue, one was ivory, and one was like a taupe color. And I just used some chalk paint, as you can see, and kind of made it a rustic look. But these were like perfect for these flowers. I just stuck them in there and they just took form. And then I added some more white flowers here, some extra ones I had. I already had this cross that came from Walmart years ago. And then this also was in my craft room on my desk. Actually, it was in my cabinet because I haven't pulled it out since Christmas. And this is a charger, and my chargers actually didn't work out like I thought they would on my table. And I'm using the galvanized chargers on my breakfast nook everyday eating table area. So I said, you know what, I'll save these for another time. And I forgot to take my tag off right there. But really simple. I think tomorrow I will put some food here. I will probably put our ham and so forth. So guys, thanks so much for watching. As always, I hope you guys have a great and wonderful Easter. And remember, there's always hope. Bye bye guys.